The tie rod is a crucial component in the steering system that helps maintain proper alignment of the front wheels. This video explains the bad tie rod symptoms. The tie rods are responsible for transmitting the force from the steering rack to the steering arm and moving the wheel. The tie rod ensures that both front wheels are aligned and move together. The tie rods are found on the front of your vehicle, connected to the steering knuckle on one end. The other end of the tie rod is connected to the steering system. Symptoms of a bad tie rod. 1. Uneven tire wear. Excessive inner or outer tire wear on one or both front tires can indicate a problem with the tie rods. Misaligned wheels due to a faulty tie rod can cause uneven tire contact with the road surface. 2. Poor steering response. When the steering wheel feels unresponsive, it's called having excessive play. If you notice increased play or looseness in the steering wheel, it could be a sign of a failing tie rod. You may experience difficulty maintaining a straight line while driving. 3. Bad wheel alignment. Wheel alignment refers to how the wheels are angled in their relation to the road. A bad tie rod can disrupt the precise adjustments that are necessary for proper wheel alignment. Misalignment not only causes uneven tire wear, but also affects the vehicle's handling, steering responsiveness, and overall stability. 4. Steering wheel vibration. Vibrations in the steering wheel can occur when there is a lack of stability in the front wheels due to a damaged tie rod. This instability may cause vibrations, especially during acceleration or at certain speeds, making the steering wheel shake. 5. Knocking noise. Worn tie rod ends can produce clunking or knocking noises, particularly during turns or when going over bumps. The noise is often a result of the play or slack in the tie rod joint, which allows for movement that produces audible sounds. 6. Visible damage or play. Inspect the tie rods for visible damage, such as bent or damaged rods. If you can physically move the tie rod by hand, or if there is noticeable play when the wheels are lifted off the ground, it is a sign of wear. 7. Fluid leaks. Tie rod ends are typically sealed with lubricating grease to reduce friction and wear. When the tie rod end is damaged or worn, it may allow the lubricating grease to leak out, resulting in a visible fluid leak around the joint. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my channel.